How to renumber COGO points in Civil 3D. Need to quickly renumber multiple COGO points in Civil 3D. First, open Tool Space and go to the Prospector tab. Expand points. Then select the COGO points you want to renumber. Right-click the selected points and choose Renumber. Civil 3D will ask you for an integer to add to the existing point numbers. For example, if your points are numbered 101 to 110 and you want to them to become 1001 to 1010, so enter 900, 1000, 101 plus 900, it's come 1001. Click OK and Civil 3D will renumber all the selected points. Always check that the new point numbers don't conflict with existing points. And that's it. An easy way to renumber multiple COGO points in Civil 3D. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more Civil 3D tips.